My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension that is classified as adware. This particular extension is called frame order. While inspecting deceptive download pages, our researchers found this frame order browser extension. So after the profound analysis of this piece of software, we found out that it operates as adware. In other words, it shows a lot of ads on the sites that you visit, and these ads are not related to this site. Advertising supported software enables the placement of third-party graphical content on visited websites and on other interfaces. Adware type advertisements and applications promote online scams, untrustworthy or harmful sites and software, and even malware. So if you have discovered this particular extension to be the part of your Google Chrome, the only correct solution is to get rid of it as soon as you can. So how to remove any third-party extensions from the Google Chrome browser after they got mistakenly installed? The solution is pretty simple. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions, here you need to disable and get rid of them. So let's now add this extension for the demonstration purposes, and then I'll show you once again how to remove it. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Now when you find this extension, you need to disable and delete the extension completely. To make sure that the computer is free of any other hidden threats, I would recommend researching the device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.